Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix Steam stuck in offline mode. Steam's offline mode is designed to allow you to access certain games without an internet connection. But sometimes the Steam client may become stuck in offline mode even when your internet is fully functional. This issue can prevent you from accessing online multiplayer, downloading game updates, synchronizing Steam cloud saves, viewing your friends list, and using other important Steam online features. Steam can remain stuck offline due to temporary client glitches, background Steam processes that did not close properly, connection initialization problems, or a failure to properly communicate with Steam servers after the computer starts. Fortunately, there are several simple troubleshooting methods that can refresh the Steam client and bring it back online without requiring a reinstall. The first and easiest method is to restart your computer. Click on the Windows Start menu, then select the Power option. Click Restart. Restarting your PC clears temporary system errors, refreshes network services, and closes any Steam processes that may be frozen in the background. Once your computer starts again, open Steam and check whether it has automatically returned to online mode. If Steam is still stuck offline, the next step is to completely close all Steam background processes. Open Task Manager. You can do this by right-clicking the taskbar and selecting Task Manager, or by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Escape on your keyboard. Under the list of running processes, locate any Steam-related applications, including Steam itself, Steam Client Web Helper, or any other Steam background services. Select each Steam process one by one and click End Task. This ensures that every Steam component is fully shut down, which helps remove any stuck processes that may be preventing Steam from establishing a new connection. After closing all Steam processes, launch Steam again. Click on the Steam button located in the upper left corner of the application. From the drop-down menu, select Go Online. Steam will then attempt to reconnect to its servers and switch your account back into online mode. If prompted, allow Steam to restart, as this completes the process of reconnecting to the Steam network. Once Steam successfully goes online, you should regain access to all of its online services, including your game library updates, Steam cloud synchronization, achievements, community features, and online multiplayer. It is important to understand that Steam can become stuck in offline mode for several reasons, including temporary Steam client bugs or corrupted session data, frozen Steam background processes, network initialization issues after Windows starts, problems communicating with Steam servers, firewall or network configuration conflicts. A common mistake many users make is repeatedly clicking the Go Online option without first restarting Steam or closing its background processes. If Steam is frozen in the background, simply clicking the option may not refresh the connection. Another common mistake is immediately reinstalling Steam before trying basic troubleshooting methods such as restarting the computer and refreshing the Steam processes. To summarize, fixing Steam stuck in offline mode begins by restarting your PC through the Windows Restart option to clear temporary system and network issues. If the problem continues, open Task Manager and end every Steam-related process running in the background. Then reopen Steam, click Steam, Go Online, and allow the client to reconnect. These methods refresh Steam's connection, remove frozen background tasks, and restore access to online features such as game updates, cloud saves, the friends list, and multiplayer services. And that's how to fix Steam stuck in offline mode. By restarting your computer, completely closing Steam background processes, and manually reconnecting the Steam client, you can solve most cases where Steam refuses to go online and continue enjoying all of Steam's online features. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.